Hey guys, what's up? So I did a video the other day, and I'll put the link down in the description about how 6 ways to get business for your service business. So I've done a couple other ones. My last one was about signs, how to use signs. Signs work great, and if you need that, I'll also put that down in the description. But today I'm going to talk about Google Ads. Google Ad gets us a lot of business. Google Ad has grown our business to make it is where it is. Um, Here's the thing about Google Ads. I just read something today that Google is going to allow you to have 3 lines of description instead of 2. What's that mean? Google wants Google Ads. The organic's going to keep getting pushed down further and further. So you need to make sure you're on. Definitely get in Maps. Maps gets like 30%, 30. I believe last I seen was it was like 40, 30, and 30. So if you aren't in Google Ads, or if you're not in um, Google Maps, those are 2 very important places. So today I'm going to talk about Google Ads. So how does Google Ads work? Well, I'm not going to go into real detail of it, but I will. I may start putting some stuff out about how to do Google Ads. If you need help, let me know. I'm more than happy to set up Google Ads. I have a thing. It's not too expensive. I set them up, I manage it, and it goes really well for you. I got a few clients now, and they have been very successful with them. But you don't care about that. So how does Google Ads work? So Google Ad is all about Google making money. I mean, who's not to make money? So um, Google Ads is one that you can spend lots of money on and have zero return if you're not careful. There's lots of parts to Google Ads. First off, you got to have good keywords that people are looking for, what you are actually looking for. The next thing you have to have is good negative keywords. The negative keywords are more important than the keywords. Some negative keywords are cheap. We don't want people looking up cheap pressure washing. One of ours that we use is pressure washer. Pressure washer will get you a ton of bad clicks because it's how to buy a pressure washer, how pressure washing parts, pressure washing or pressure washer hose. All those are negative keywords. And if you just have pressure washer in there, you will get a ton of negative keywords that won't mean nothing to you. Like I say, also I use hose as a negative keyword because I don't care if people buying hose or equipment or how to bid a house, because you got your competitors are looking to see how you're bidding your house and that kind of stuff. So those are very important factors. Those are critical. Your negative keywords are probably your most critical thing of having a good list of them. So if I manage them, I got like 1,500 negative keywords already. That's going to go right to your account, and that way we make sure that those negative keywords don't get done. And it goes from, and here's the deal, guys. You can use these keywords right now. Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, Sears, all those are negative keywords that we don't want, that you will pay $5, $10, $15 a click for and be gone. Nothing. Puff, gone. So with that being said, just make sure that your negative keywords are good. The next thing is your ad copy. Your ad copy is what's in your ad. What's in your ad needs to be around what your keywords are. So for instance, if you have keywords of pressure washing, and those are all your keywords, and your ad copy is about house washing or roof cleaning, those 2 don't jive. People looking for, the biggest one is people looking for house washing, and you got roof cleaning ads coming up. That's not what they're looking for. They're looking for house washing. So you need to make sure in the ad copy it's got talks about house washing and maybe a little bit about the process and why you should use soft wash versus high pressure and that kind of stuff. So not only does it go down to your ad copy, what needs to be there, it also goes to what your landing page should be there. So if you have a pressure washing keyword with a pressure washing ad with a landing page that is about roof cleaning, nope, not gonna work. People are gonna hit the back button and go to the next one. So then you just paid for a click and Google's going to give you a bad score for it, which means you're going to pay higher for the click. So you want to make sure everything is in line. Like I say, you want the ad copy to be right, you want the keywords to be right, you want the landing page to be right. Here's the thing about the landing page. People like to put lots of words on the landing page. Put what you want. If it's about house washing, put a picture about a house wash, maybe a short video, very little, and get their information. And we put that at the top and at the bottom, and sometimes even in the middle. You know, where they make it where they can click their phone number, bam, click their phone number, or hit the email. We put it at the top, the middle, and bottom. We want that big. We want that because that's what we want. We don't want to pay for a click just to go there and then we don't get nothing. So that's kind of the gist of how we will do our AdWords. If you want more information about AdWords, or if you think I should do more, I can go more in depth of each thing. Let me know. If I don't get a lot of response back, I might not. But let me know. I spent many hours studying this stuff, trying to figure it out. And we spent many dollars wasting on the wrong negative keywords. And that's how we got our list of a good list, so that we keep getting quality keywords coming up and getting paid for that. So the other thing of AdWords, ad spend is completely of what you may need. You know, if you have one truck, you don't have to spend a lot because you don't need a lot of leads coming in. If you're like us in 3 or 4 trucks, 5 trucks, well, you're going to have to spend $150, $200 a day, so that way we can get them ads coming in there. So our average cost to get a customer is anywhere from it's right around $28, $25 to $28. It floats in there. Last year was a little bit cheaper. It was actually quite a bit cheaper. It was about $5 to $8 cheaper per customer, but it's per lead. But it's one of those things that more and more people are getting in the game of AdWords, which jacks the prices up of the ad auctions. So that being said, budget, if you're a one-man shop, you could probably get away with $15 to $30, depending on how much competition you got. If you got a lot of competition in there, it might be a little bit more than that. And then if you got more, it just depends on how many leads you want coming in. The other thing with AdWords is we turn ads on and off. You know, we set them up that we only turn our ads on Monday through Friday, a little bit on Saturday, and a certain time period, because what we were finding out is we are paying for clicks at night and we're not getting no return on it, because they either don't fill out the form, or after hours we don't answer the phone, or sometimes they know we're a company and you're not going to answer the phone at night, and they might look you up and then the next day hopefully you're still on there, but you might not be. So that is why we don't do that anymore. But that's how we've learned how to spend our money smart on our AdWords. But hope that helps you out. Hope you have a great weekend. And like I say, if you have any questions, check it out. Check out my website. It's pressurewashingtraining.com. I put a lot on there, and I also do a lot on YouTube. So check both those out. Thanks, and have a great day.